Tape script 3.7.1.
Protein, cheese, meat, fish, eggs, prawns, chicken. Sugary food, soda, candies, chocolate, cake, crisps, biscuits. Fast food, French fries, hamburger, hot dogs, pizza. Vitamins, carrots, bananas, mangoes, cabbage, oranges, tomatoes.
End of tape script 3.7.1. Tape script 3.7.2.
I have to be careful to eat a well-balanced diet. Hamburgers aren't very nutritious. I do eat plenty of fruit and vegetables because they are very nutritious. Fish has plenty of protein, and it contains very little fat. My coach says that everyone needs to eat a variety of food if they want to be healthy.
End of tape script 3.7.2.